Imagine, if you will, the life of a stray dog in New Delhi. Not as a problem awaiting correction, nor as a symbol of neglect, but as a vivid movement within the immense, breathing organism of the city itself. This dog has no fixed address, yet he belongs everywhere. He sleeps beside tea stalls, beneath park scooters, near temple steps still warm from the day's sun. The ground is his map. The city writes itself into his body through heat, dust, sound, and smell. He does not stand apart from New Delhi. He is one of its many gestures, like the call of a vendor, the drifting smoke of incense, the sudden rain on dry streets.
Each morning arrives without alarm clocks or regret.
The dog wakes when the city stirs. The coughing of engines, the shuffle of sandals, the first prayers carried through loudspeakers. He stretches, shakes off sleep, and in doing so abandons the paths Peatly yesterday he leaves his body, as easily as dust falling from fur. Humans speak endlessly about mindfulness, yet this dog practices it without effort or intention. He walks, crowds flow around him like a river around a stone. Some hands offer food, others push him away. Many never notice him at all. To the dog, these are not judgments but movements. Simply, what happens next. He does not measure his worth by treatment received. Praise does not inflate him. Rejection does not wound him. Such wounds require an ego to protect, and the dog has never constructed one. When hunger appears, it is not a crisis but a signal. He searches, waits, adapts. When rest arrives, he lies down wherever the moment allows. There is no shame in this life, because shame is born from comparison, from imagining a self that should be different. The dog does not imagine himself, he experiences himself. As night settles over New Delhi, the city does not become quiet. It becomes intimate. Lights flicker, voices soften, the air cools. The dog curls beside others or alone, ears half alert, body relaxed. He trusts the world, not because it is safe, but because it is what is. He does not ask whether tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow is not a thought. It is a sound, not yet heard. And here is the gentle irony. The stray dog appears to live without security, yet he is free from the deepest human insecurity, the fear of not belonging. He belongs because he never doubted that he did. His life asks no questions, makes no arguments, and offers no conclusions. If we watch him closely, we may sense an uncomfortable truth, that the dog is not missing something we possess, but remembering something we have forgotten. That life is not a problem to solve, but a process to trust, moving effortlessly through us, just as it moves through him.